Illuminati, all through your body, like a 12 gauge Sade. And I'm still a beast with these flows. Feeling real low, my tree self-esteem roll. We drowning outlanders, can't overflow. Beast Coast, be more Pacific. Next time you're shouting out, amigo. I am not the star, in fact I'm planet R. Fuck with the media, right bitch, this is a fire bar. Please don't leave your comment if you are not up to par. No names, putting you in the verse, that's too far. You're mundane, can't obtain the knowledge in my brain. My set told me light you up, so this that propane. It's Nathan, all I gotta do is just spit a flame, no escaping. You in the swimming pool of champagne. You set yourself up for that one, man. The king in New York, ha, we ain't just gonna let that one hang. Last nigga got dethroned and you ain't from my zone. The rest of the real niggas is dead and gone. But fuck it, I'm Biggie, I'm L, I'm Pun. I'm Godson, I'm Pac, Guru, all in one. I'm what they predicted before I come. In fact, I do it all for dumb. But fuck it, I'm Biggie, I'm L, I'm Pun. I'm Godson, I'm Pac, Guru, all in one. I'm what they predicted before I come. In fact, I do it all for them. I'm getting a from the weak shit that I hear. No lyrical style come near me. How they gon' try to compare me to what's clearly, barely, not nearly as rare as me? Swank make handful like a rare disease. How thou art right this, yo, it's scaring me. I got all these rap niggas fucking fearing me. Heard they was looking for war, but ain't declaring me. I'm well aware, and why not Delaware? I'm the real king fella here. You more like Prince of Bel-Air. I'm clearing the air. Might fire at will. These rap niggas don't want the static for real. Cause they lines not adjacent to my spectacular skill. If you don't fuck with cinematic, stand still. My life's a movie on the rail. You can get shot with your hands on the wheels, with your pants at your heels. But fuck it, I'm Biggie, I'm L, I'm Pun. I'm Godson, I'm Pac, Guru, all in one. I'm what they predicted before I come. In fact, I do it all for dumb. Illuminati, all through your body like a 12 gauge Sade. And I'm feeling like the realest motherfucker alive. 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 And I'm feeling like the Illuminati, all through your.
I love the competition. Go against the Beast Coast? I retired that level of it, and now you have to deal with a brother like Joey, which is a 45 Magnum with a knife at the tip and a shotgun at the end.